have a new unboxing from a new to me shop, but not really new to me either, because I've known about their existence for the longest time and I've wanted their wax, but they were always sold out. And so I finally was able to catch some products. So let's see what's, I mean, literally for years. Let's see what's inside the box. So here is her card. And her information. And my invoice. Well, you don't need to see all of that because it has my home information. I don't want you stalkers trying to show up at my doorstep. I don't need that drama. And I ordered very little because I always order very little when it's a new to me company, because I want to make sure that I like the product. But from what I've seen, they are amazing. All right, here's the first one. I've seen a bunch of posts that have made me want to get some of this forever and a day. And so from what I've seen, they are amazing and everybody seems to love them. So this one here is Hippie Gnomes. And it is so cute. Pardon my cat. He always likes to start crying right after he's fed. Oh, look at this one. This next one is Fall Under a Spell. Scented in Love Spell and Vanilla Lace plus Fresh and Clean. And this is what I liked about the LoveLee Wax, was the layering. And every time I saw people put their stuff in their warmer and it was all colored up, I'm like, oh, I need that in my life. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Yes, apple saucy, cran apple, pink lemonade, pink sugar and pear, because they're going to make the most beautiful melt. Oh, my little top fell off. No biggie. So this is this color combination right here is exactly why I ordered. Although it's hard to tell on some people who sell wax, their website usually just has like the image like this. So I didn't know what Hippie Gnomes was going to look like because that was just an image there. But I did see this. So I got that one for sure. This next one is Basic Witch. Nice witchy colors. Black linen, black coconut, and berrylicious. What else did I get here? It's just one more. Oh, here's a sample, it looks like. Ooh, chocolate chip cookie dough. Thank you, I appreciate the sample. She doesn't know me, so she doesn't know that I don't like bakery scents. But I always appreciate anything that they send free, because they really don't have to. And I don't like chocolate either. Anyway, strawberry jam pancakes, cookie dough and salted caramel. Look at the beauty. First of all, I love any little owl melts, but look at the pretty colors. Whew. I think that is it. Oh no, there's more here. Oh, another. Oh, Lord, girl, this is a sample? This is a full-size product. First, a sample. Again, always appreciate anything they send us extra, regardless whether I'm into the scent or not, because they really don't have to send us anything free. And this one is Ouija board, which is strawberry. What is that? I can't read the second word because it's all mixed in with the words. Something cream, zucchini bread, and pink sugar. Now girl, you are too. There's more samples in here. Girl, this is another sample. Look at the sample size. This one is strawberry rhubarb pie, strawberry decorated unicorn sparkles. I bet this is going to smell amazing. I love the way she layers everything. Then I have this sample here, which is firecracker. How cute are these? And then tilt-a-wheel. I mean, sorry, tilt-a-whirl. I don't even want to say tilt-a-wheel. I am quite familiar with the tilt-a-whirl. Actually got sick on it one time like a child. All right, I think that is it. I think I pulled out one more sample. Yes. I don't even know why I keep looking like I don't deserve anything more. This is the last sample. It's called Candy Mountain. Very cute. All right. So I'm so excited because this stuff is just freaking awesome. I'm telling you, I'm so excited to have them in my paw. Let's recap. So we had to Fall Under a Spell, which has beautiful colors. Lincoln, can you chill? This cat. Love Spell, Vanilla Lace, Fresh and Clean. The other one was Hippie Gnomes, Woodstock. I think it's Cedar and Vanilla. Yes. Let me move these samples to the side. We have Spread the Love, Strawberry Jam, Pancakes, Cookie Dough, Salted Caramel. Where's my invoice? I'm so shocked at his generosity. Okay, Spread the Love. Then we have Apple Saucy, Cran Apple, Pink Lemonade, Pink Sugar, and Pear. This color combination is just freaking sickening. And then we had Basic Witch, which is Black Linen, Black Coconut, and Berrylicious. All right, so that was what I purchased. And then this is what I got for freaking free, because evidently she loves sending out a sample or two. Oh, look at this. Again, this is Ouija board. Then we have the firecracker sample. We have the Candy Mountain. I'd be really disappointed if I can't grab her restocks again. Tilt-a-whirl. And I'm going to melt this even if I don't like the scent, because look how cute it is. Oops. Chocolate chip cookie dough. And then finally, the treasure hunt, which I'm trying to figure out what makes these samples, because, oh, they're a little less thick as this full-sized one. So it's not, this is a little thicker than this, but really not by much. And anyway, I don't deserve this much. Thank you very much. You are way too generous. I got almost as much in free samples as I did in product, except that my product is actually full size and rather massive. All right, guys, that's it for LoveLee Wax. I cannot wait to do melt videos with these. So super stoked. All right, I will talk to you guys on the next one.